This is Alta Ski Area, where powder isn't a luxury, it's the point. Where meals aren't fuel, but communion. The perfect alchemy of snow, terrain, and a stubborn refusal to change for anyone. Home to what locals rightfully defend as the greatest snow on earth, light as air, and deep as shit. I've made Alta my home for the last decade, surrendering to its deep powder days. It's an unchanged ski sanctuary. Untied from corporate thrills, it's pure and simple good skiing. I've chased winter across hemispheres, dropping into Chamonix steeps and Japan's endless powder. My ski career, a passport to the world's vertical playgrounds. Yet, I've always gravitated back to Alta, this quiet corner of home where the mountain brings good friends together for unforgettable days of skiing. Before setting off to the world's most breathtaking communities, where I'll dive headfirst into mountain traditions, adventure with the locals, and devour dishes I can't pronounce but won't forget, I find myself here, in my home mountains of Utah, and in the familiar chaos of my kitchen in Camas. My Olympic silver medal from 2014 sits quietly on the shelf, a strange companion to my knife roll. After 3 Olympics and a decade-long ski career, I traded the halfpipe for kitchen heat, discovering that the culinary rush demands the same fearless precision and beautiful chaos as skiing. Tonight, my oldest friends crowd around the table, passing plates of nostalgic Italian recipes from my childhood in New York. We break bread, we laugh, we remember. This table, these people, this is where I return to find myself. I'm Devin Logan, but at home, I'm just Dev, or D-Lo. In Let Her Cook, I'm searching for the connection between food, place, and people. And like any great adventure, it always starts at home. I'm here today with my good friend Darian Stevens, 2-time Winter Olympian in slopestyle and big air. We've been teammates forever, traveled all over the world competing together, and now finally we get to ski just for fun.
Yeah, 72 and sunny, come on. Please turn me up, I'm begging you, turn me up, come on. Stay grinding till the wheels fall off and stay shining till we all well off. It's all love at the end of the day. And that's the only thing that matters to me anyway. I'm in and out these lanes on the interstate. The way I'm making moves, you think I'm in a race. Fish shot couldn't keep me in the frame. VX vibes, writing rhymes, watching Beagle tapes. It's kinda hard to act hard while eating parfaits. I'm not into all of that, I'd rather stargaze. We growing older, but never acting our age. Same mood in a hoopty or an R8. Same dude, while they counted up, I count my blessings. Staying present, so pardon me if I need a second. Daydreaming out the window, almost missed the exit. Every person need a purpose, why I'm mic checking. 1, 2, my gray matter is so fluid. Blue coupe, the wheel fitment is so stupid. More likely to do it if you say don't do it. That's the rebel in me, baby, I'm a revel in it. While you in the metaverse, I'm breaking metaphysics. I just can't with your flow if it's too regimented. And we kick it like a pot roast. Art leaving impression, call me Picasso. How could I not go everywhere that's not road? How could I not ponder everything that's not known? Eyes low while I'm talking to the
Go get a coffee, huh?
Yeah. Talking back, Josh, man, you hearing
Get hydrated.
Stay grinding till the wheels
Got a long
fall
day ahead
off.
of
Stay
us.
shining till we all well off. It's all love. Stay grinding till the wheels fall off and stay shining till we all well off. It's all love. Stay grinding till the
Big
wheels
death
fall
right
off
there.
and stay shining
What?
till we all well off. It's all love. Stay grinding till the wheels fall off and stay shining.
Using the dome?
Cheers. Thanks for a good day.
That was a fun morning.
Yeah, I love this like cafe because you can just like literally ski in, grab coffee, jump back on.
Yeah, having those 2 road drops, ballroom, and then glory hole.
Yeah.
Can't complain.
Yep. A lot of doors opened up for us today for sure.
Yeah,
Incredible
and
day.
we were like early enough too in the line where we got those creamy turns untouched.
Mm-hmm. Too bad I have to go back to the office. That's all right though.
All right, let's get out of here and then do it.
That coffee was danky.
Well, Darian just just left and I'm starving and I'm here at the Slopestyle Cafe at Alta and I'm gotta get myself a buffalo chicken wrap because it's what the body wants. My go-to here at the Slopeside Cafe is the buffalo chicken wrap. Look at the size of her. You can either get ranch or blue cheese in it. I'm a blue cheese gal, so I went with that. Let's dig in. Oh, mouth watering. Oh yeah, it's a great bite right there. Yeah, because I'm a classy broad. So stoked to meet up with Britta this afternoon. We were teammates for over a decade together, traveling the world, and now we're finally able to ski again, but different, outside the bib.
Yeah,
In our favorite place, Alta.
a little bit different circumstances. Can't say I don't like it. 2011, we decided to come out to Park City and rent a little apartment above Main Street, and guess what, ever since 2011 we've pretty much been on the road together until 2 years ago when we both retired. And
Yeah, I think you've definitely seen me change as a person from 18 years old, just not living on my own ever, to, yeah, traveling the world.
had some high highs and some low lows.
Thank you for not killing me.
All right, should we go do Stone Crusher?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Good job.
And that is how the cookie crumbles.
Maybe let's go back over there to Jitterbug or something, like near the trees.
Yeah,
Is that good, like contrast and stuff?
get some visibility.
Yeah. Since the storm's rolling in, classic Alta.
I love these sleeper pow days when everyone starts to leave and the snow starts flowing.
Yeah. Should we peek over here, see what that looks like?
Yeah.
Phew. Just got some of our shopping done after a great day of skiing, so we're gonna head home and get started on dinner. Let's go. Got our cheeses, pork and beef for the meatballs, chicken for the chicken parm, spaghetti, and then some San Marzano tomatoes for the sauce. And that's it. We have everything else here. And probably gonna make the sauce first, since that takes a little bit of time to develop flavor. Then make the meatballs. We'll do them on the stovetop a little, get a little brown on them, but finish them off in the sauce. And then get started on the chicken parm. Slice up the chicken in half, dredge it, egg, panko, fry those up, then finish them off in the oven while we make the salad dressing and assemble the salad. And yeah, I'm excited. My style of cooking really translates from my skiing. You know, it's not gonna be very clean and tight and all that, but overall it's gonna taste good, it's gonna look good, and people go about it in different ways because that's their style of cooking, and it's so similar to the style of skiing and how you represent yourself out on your skis, and then how you represent yourself in your kitchen and on your plate, and what ingredients you pull from. So it's very much your perspective, what influences you build off of. We got a big boy. We need a big boy. I think there's a lot of similarities, and I definitely take my influences and perspectives of skiing being from the East Coast, not being extra proper, but at the end of the day, you're having that overall good impression. We have a little left. Let's finish it up. No one was ever sad with too much cheese on their chicken parm, right? But really, don't come at me because I like flavor. Put a timer on, because sometimes you start doing other things and then you're like, ooh, what's that smell? Oh yeah, I was making chicken parm. Forgot it was in there. Oh, I ski differently every day, and I think every day I cook differently because I'm not following a guide. I'm just kind of going with how I feel on that day, and I think my cooking represents those feelings. I think at the end of the day, whether it's skiing or cooking, I'm gonna put my utmost self into it, my wholehearted soul, and I just wanna make it fun and make sure that people enjoy themselves and have a good time. Hey guys, come on in, welcome.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Hello, hello, hello.
Oh, thanks for coming some more.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, y'all.
Hi, Dad.
Hi. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having us.
Yay!
Yes,
Well, welcome everyone.
What's for dinner?
Okay.
Off this side of the table. Yeah.
Hey, chef.
Wow. Amazing.
Looking great.
Pasta, meatballs, salad, homemade balsamic vinaigrette, and thanks for bringing the wine.
Cheers.
Thank you, Deb.
We're gonna give it a little twist.
Presentation is. Well, this was the meal that my mom made, and I feel like it was something that I always, if I missed home, made it on the road.
This was her go-to.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
y'all.
Let's go.
Yeah, thanks for coming. Thanks for the fun
Cheers,
run.
everybody.
Thanks for the good times.